Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the carburetor on your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Depress the retaining tab to release the air filter cover, then remove the filter. Using a T25 Torx bit, unthread the mounting bolts securing the air filter housing and carburetor. Unhook the Z-end of the throttle cable from the carburetor. Note the orientation of the fuel lines. Then detach the lines to fully remove the old carburetor. Install the new carburetor by first attaching the fuel lines to the appropriate ports. Connect the Z-end of the cable to the carburetor throttle lever. Confirm that the outlet gasket is intact, along with the O-ring on the carburetor. Then align the air filter housing and insert the bolts. Position the assembly, then thread and tighten the bolts. Reposition the air filter in the housing and replace the cover. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.